So I always wanted to go into sort of healthcare profession, with a few bits of work experience, and yeah, I just found dentistry a good way to connect with a lot of people, often healthy people as well. And you know, it was just that sort of inspired me to get involved. I graduated in 2022, so about 3 years now, or nearly 3 years. Favourite part, meeting new people, helping new people as well is always quite rewarding. Yeah, I'd say probably the number of people we see in a day. It certainly surprised me when I first started. Probably something to do with space. I'm pretty interested in all that stuff, like rockets, astronomy, that kind of thing. So yeah, if I wasn't a dentist, I'd probably be doing that. But with my math skills, I think it's probably best that I'm a dentist. Yeah, we got a lot of techniques for that. So I think the main thing is just giving people time, the time that they need to feel comfortable, get comfortable. We've got relaxation techniques. We'll always explain what we're doing to patients so that they know sort of what to expect every step of the way, and go at a pace that suits them. I think the whole practice is set up in a very relaxing environment, sort of from the start when you walk in, which I think helps with patients, especially nervous ones. And we've also just got a range of people at practice that sort of allow us to treat every need that someone might have when they come in, which is not something that they do everywhere. I think that the best things you can do at home is sort of keeping on top of your hygiene, and then just keeping regular checkups with your dentist and with the hygienist to spot any problems that do arise early, and that's the best way to keep a good, stable, healthy smile. Yeah, we've got a few tricks. Like you said, one is just taking the time to explain things to patients, and let the patients go at a pace that suits them. We've got some other techniques like numbing jelly that we use, which just takes the sting out of those injections, which a lot of people, it's probably one of their least favourite things about coming to the dentist. So anything we can do there is a really good way to help patients. Yeah, we got all sorts of ways to do that. So we do a lot of courses, both in person or online, just to keep up to date with things. We subscribe to articles and journals like the British Dental Journal, where they'll be publishing all the latest research. We've got conferences like the British Dental Conference, which happens just up the road in Birmingham every year. Also, these days there's a lot of dentists on social media, and you can see what other people are doing, and certainly that can give you a little bit of exposure to then go and do your own research and find out more. Yeah, my favourite way to relax outside, probably running. It's not everyone's idea of relaxing, but I find it's really good for the mind, especially if you get out in nature and do stuff like that. So I do quite a lot. Spit don't rinse out after you brush. Yeah, well, I'm a big Spurs fan, so I think it'd probably be someone to do with them. Probably Ange Postecoglou, the manager, or maybe Son Heung-min, who's the captain. Yeah, it'd be good to sit down with them and talk about my favourite football team.